Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the dreaded Samsung dishwasher error code F5, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into what this error means, why it happens, and how to fix it step by step. This guide is tailored for 2025 models, so let's get those dishes clean again. First off, what does error code F5 actually mean? In Samsung dishwashers, F5 typically signals a leak detection issue. It could indicate that the machine has sensed water where it shouldn't be, like a leak in the system or an overflow. This is a safety feature to prevent water damage, but it can be frustrating when it halts your cycle. Now, let's talk about the common causes. One major culprit is a clogged or dirty filter, which can lead to water buildup. Another possibility is a faulty water inlet valve or loose hose connection, allowing water to escape. Environmental factors, like a kinked drain hose or even hard water minerals, might also trigger this error. Don't overlook simple things like a blocked vent or sensor malfunction. Alright, time for the solutions. Start by unplugging your dishwasher and turning off the water supply for safety. First, check the bottom of the unit for any visible leaks or standing water. Clean it up if you find any. Next, inspect and clean the filter. It's usually located at the bottom of the tub. Remove any debris, rinse it under water, and put it back. If that doesn't work, examine the hoses for kinks or connections that need tightening. You might also need to reset the dishwasher by pressing the power button for about 10 seconds or running a diagnostic cycle. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it could be a more serious problem like a defective sensor or pump. In that case, it's best to call a professional technician to avoid voiding your warranty. Remember, always refer to your user manual for your specific model. There you have it, your complete guide to fixing Samsung dishwasher error code F5. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home appliance tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay clean and keep washing.